we at Cognizant, especially in our group connector products, came across multiple use cases throughout the year. One of them, was about inventory management, in the manufacturing shop floors. And with that being the core requirement or a use case, we basically built a algorithm, that could solve the real-time problem on inventory management. The beauty about this algorithm is it's a self-learning algorithm. So it keeps learning, on the new patterns that it keeps seeing. It's like an Alexa, you speak to Alexa today, by the next time you speak to Alexa, it learns. It's the similar kind of an algorithm that we've built, on the machine learning aspects, that can make our system be very, very efficient. Secondly, this particular algorithm that we've built, has got the capabilities to integrate to platforms. In this case, we've done that with ThingWorks. It's agnostic to the environment, but that gives the conduit, for transferring the information, visualize the information, and also analyze the information as and when required. The big picture to this is how do you flush it back, to an enterprise? How can you make meaningful decisions, to order them on an SAP or an ERP system? Those kind of decisions are made very easy, and that's exactly what we are trying to solve here in this demo.